Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Muada Luciana Pratiwi and my student number is A1M224033. And my friend,
My name is Astrid Nabila and my student ID number is A1M224007.
okay, today we are going to talk about two interesting sound change, assimilation and dissimilation.
That's right. These two processes show how sounds in word can change to make pronunciation easier or clearer.
Okay, next to materi. Okay, I'm going to talk about assimilation in morphology. Assimilation happens when two morphemes join together and one sound changes to become similar to a nearby sound. This change makes the word easier to pronounce and smoother to say. In simple words, assimilation helps our speech flow more natural. The first example is in plus possible, impossible. Here, the sound N changes to M because it comes before P. Both M and P are made with the lips, so it's easier to say impossible than impossible. The second example is in plus legal, illegal. In this case, the sound N changes to L because it's followed by L. This makes pronunciation smoother. Illegal sounds better and more natural than illegal, than illegal. So, assimilation helps sounds adjust to each other, making words easier to say and more pleasant to hear. It is a small change, but it happens a lot in English and even in other languages like Indonesia. Okay, thank you. Next to materi.
Now I'm going to explain about dissimilation. Dissimilation is a phonological process where two similar sounds become less similar. In simple words, it's the opposite of assimilation. While assimilation makes sounds more alike, dissimilation makes them different, usually to make pronunciation easier or clearer. This process often happens when two sounds that share similar features occur close each other in a word. To avoid repeating the same articulatory movement, one of the sounds changes. For example, it might change in its place or articulation or even disappear completely. Let's look at some example of dissimilation in English. The first one is the word February. The correct or formal pronunciation is February, but many English speakers say February or February. Here, the first R sounds change or disappears, so that the two R sounds are not too close each other. Another example is asterisk. The correct form is asterisk, but people often pronounce it as asterisk. The R sound disappears because S and R are too similar in this position. This change happens naturally in speech. It's not a mistake, but an example of how language adapts to make pronunciation easier. Interestingly, dissimilation also disappears in other language. For instance, in Latin, the word peregrinus becomes pellegrinus. One of the R sounds change into L to avoid repetition. So, dissimilation is an universal linguistic phenomenon. To sum up, dissimilation is the process where one one sound become less like another nearby sound. It helps speakers pronounce words more easily and keep speech flowing naturally. That's all for today's explanation.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you understand assimilation and dissimilation. See ya!